Chapter 14 Best Friends Learning Objectives 1. Friendship is true wealth. 2. Greediness leads to bad circumstances. Warm up. Join the dots of the figures. Name and color them. Do this activity with your best friend and let them create a short poem on it. Instruction for discussion. Ask children to define good qualities of their best friend. Let them discuss in the classroom. Once upon a time, there lived 4 friends: a fox, an eagle, a mouse, and a tortoise. This is a story of friends and their friendship, how they used their wisdom against their biggest enemy man. One evening, the mouse, the eagle, and the fox were gossiping. Suddenly, they heard a strange noise. They all ran to see what happened exactly. When they reached there, they saw that it was their friend the tortoise. He was trapped badly in a hunter's net. The mouse narrated the whole plan to his friends, and all agreed to the plan. The 3 friends were ready to help their friend at any cost. Slowly, the fox went near the tortoise, and according to their plan, she lay down on the ground and pretended to be dead and breathless. The black big eagle flew towards the fox and pretended to peek at him, so that the whole scene looked real. The hunter rolled up his net with the tortoise inside it. As he started walking home, he saw a fox. He thought the fox to be dead and wanted to take it home. So he put down the net and walked towards the fox. On the other hand, according to the plan, the eagle flew round and round the fox. He flapped his wings and did not let the hunter go near him. The mouse crept up to the tortoise and started biting the net with his sharp teeth. While the eagle kept the hunter busy, the mouse set the tortoise free. Once the tortoise had escaped, the eagle let out a loud caw and flew away. The fox too got up and ran away quickly. The hunter was stunned. He went back to the tortoise, but he found that the net was torn and tortoise had gone. The 4 friends were happy because finally they were successful in their plan. It was victory of their wisdom, teamwork, and true friendship. Find meaning. Wisdom, intelligence. Enemy, a person who does not like another much. Strange, weird, trapped, caught in something. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Have you ever been to a picnic with your friends organized by your school? Share your feelings about that picnic. Also, mention different activities that you enjoyed with them. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Draw smile for the things that your best friend likes. Draw sad face for the things that he or she does not like. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Do this activity with one of your best friends. Read the actions given in the boxes. Color the boxes with actions that both of you have done. Logical decision making. Here are some riddles given. Your teacher will divide the class into groups of 4. Solve them with the help of your friends. The group which solves the puzzle first will be the smartest of all. How do you express your love to your mother? How many times can you subtract 10 from 100? Why are teddy bears never hungry? You can keep it only after giving it away to someone else. What is it? Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Which 2 animals did the hunter want to take home? Answer. The hunter wanted tortoise and fox to take to his home. B. Why can we say that the 4 animals were true friends? Answer. The 4 animals were true friends because they all made a successful plan to save their friend. This shows how true their friendship are. Find their meanings. A. Hunter, a person that hunts animals for food or sports. B. Pretend, to act fake. C. Flapped, to move up and down or side to side, especially in the wind. D. Stunned, shocked. E. Eagle, a very large bird that can see very well. F. Tortoise, an aquatic animal that moves very slow due to its hard shell on the back. G. Victory, success in winning a battle or game. H. Friendship, a relationship between people who are friends. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The 4 friends were wild animals. B. The tortoise was trapped in a hunter's trap. C. The mouse had a plan. D. The fox pretended to be dead. E. The eagle flew around and round the fox. Tick the right options. 1. Who was animal's biggest enemy? A. Lion. B. Man. C. Fox. B. Man. 2. Who narrated the plan? A. Eagle. B. Fox. C. Mouse. C. Mouse. 3. What happened in the end? A. The hunter caught all of them. B. The hunter got scared. C. All of the friends escaped from the hunter. C. All of the friends escaped from the hunter. E. Match the following. Column A. Fox, mouse, eagle, tortoise. Column B. Cook, 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 hissing, growling, scratching.